lost inside a broken dream. Echoes call your name in vain. Winds are whispering through the trees, telling me you're gone again. All the stars are fading slowly, like the love we used to know. Still I'm standing in the doorway, hoping you won't let me go. Don't fade away, don't walk alone. Love's not a fire that turns into stone. I need your light, I need your flame. Don't leave me lost in shadows and rain. Every night I hear the thunder, memories like silent cries, torn between the past and future, caught beneath these endless skies.